Alright, welcome back everybody. So today we are doing tri-tip on the Traeger Grill. It's going to be a reverse sear. If you guys don't know what a reverse sear is, we put it in there for an hour, however long it takes to get our internal temp that we're looking for. Be at 140. You take it out and then crank up the Traeger and then wait till it goes to high temp, put it back in there and gets that nice reverse sear. You guys will see that today. Let's go ahead and season our tri-tip. Alright, here we have it. Add our garlic spread. You want to get a nice seasoning on this, that way you get a nice flavor all around. Now we're going to add some black pepper. It's pretty good with black pepper. I love having black pepper on this. So we're going to do the same on the other side, and we'll be back once that side is done. Alright, now that we have our tri-tip nice and seasoned, we're going to put our Traeger at 225 degrees. We're looking, it'll probably take about an hour to an hour and a half in between there, so I'm going to keep an eye on it at the 1 hour mark to see where we're at. My internal temp that I want my tri-tip to be is at 155. So at 140 internal temp, I'm going to take it out and crank up the temperature of the Traeger. Let's fire up the Traeger. Alright guys, the Traeger is up to temp 225 degrees. Now it's time to put in this tri-tip. Here we go. Right in the middle. The one with the most fat on the bottom, fat side down, how's it call it. So we're going to be back in 1 hour and see where we're at. Alright, we're back. It's been 1 hour. And there it is. Let's see where we're at. We're at 137. We're still going to leave it there for another 20 minutes. We'll be back in 20 minutes. Alright guys, we're back. I actually came back at 15 minutes. And mine was right at 140, 145. So now it's time to take it off. I'm going to put it in this butcher paper. I'm going to wrap it there while the Traeger goes up to temp. So I'm going to raise the temperature all the way to 375. So we'll be back for the next process. Alright, our Traeger's up to 375 now. So now this is the part that we do to reverse sear it. We'll be back in 5 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good. Be back another 5. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes. Look how nice it looks. So now if you want to be fancy, you can put the tri-tip this way. So you see how you get the grill marks this way? It'll be a nice square. This looks great. Oh, look at that. Ooh. So we're going to put it in butcher paper. And we're just going to let it rest for 10 minutes. We'll be back. Alright guys, now we're back. It's been 10 minutes for this tri-tip to be resting. It looks great and it smells good too. So before we get started in this, let's have a quick recap of what we did. Alright guys, here we have it. It's been 10 minutes. And oh yeah. Look at that beauty. Oh man, look at the juices. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that is. Look at that piece. Let me cut a little piece. Oh man, that's a nice smoke ring to it. Let's try it. Alright guys, here we have it. Is our tri-tip reverse seared. Oh. We taste the garlic seasoning that we did, a little bit hint of that pepper. It is really good. It's really delicious. I love it. I think you guys will like it too. Always keep an eye on Traeger after that first hour because some Traegers run high, some Traegers run low. Mine was running a little high, so yours might take a little bit longer if it's running low. So always keep an eye on after the 1 hour mark. That's it for this one. Make sure you guys hit that like. You guys hit that boom, hit that subscribe button for more great content coming. You guys do not want to miss any of this. And make sure you guys check out these videos, Traeger videos or the Blackstone videos. What are you guys gonna want? Blackstone has some great stuff. Love the Blackstone. If you guys want to stick to Traeger, stick to Traeger. I'll see you guys next time.